it. It's wash day, and here's what I'm working with. I use tea tree tingle shampoo and conditioner to wash my hair, so let's start washing. Just like any wash day routine, I start by wetting my hair down. Then I'll add the shampoo. I like to focus the shampoo on my scalp since gravity will pull the rest of the conditioner through my hair. I focus the conditioner on my ends since they tend to be the driest part of my hair. After my hair is clean, I carefully use my microfiber towel to dry it. I'm telling you, this is a lot of work. Then I moisturize my hair. You can find my moisturizing technique in the card above. And style it. Looks like today I'm rocking 2-strand flat twist. Good choice. As you can see here, it is day 2 of wearing this style and I already need to tame the frizz. It probably would have lasted longer if I remembered to wrap my hair up the night before. Remember kids, wrap it up. So, to refresh this style, I like to use a hairspray. But not just any hairspray, a super secret one. Basically, this is and water. Water usually lays my hair down anyway. To seal in the moisture, I used super secret oil. And then I slapped on some earrings and put on my X-ray vision goggles, and now we are ready to seize the day. This is my go-to style after an actual wash day with actual shampoo. It's easy to achieve once you get the hang of flat twisting, and it's easy to maintain. Welcome to co-wash day. I literally slap a handful of tea tree tingle conditioner in my hair and massage it for around 5 minutes. I like to pretend I'm trying to start a fire with my hair. You know how you rub a stick together with your hands to ignite a fire? Yeah, just like that, but with my hair. It helps the suds come to life, and then I rinse and repeat the meticulous towel application. And bam, there she is. There she is with the wash and go. Go ahead and click on that card above if you're feeling curious.
Here we have a wild Lydia carefully applying a liquid lip. She doesn't always wear this, but when she does, it's fire.
I've already shared with you how I wash my hair, so I'm not going to insert that B-roll again, but it is deep condition day and I've already washed and conditioned my hair. In fact, I'm deep conditioning right now. I like to use the Intensive Hydration Hair Mask by Shea Moisture. I do apply heat on my hair when deep conditioning because I notice this product likes to sit on my hair, so the heat helps the product penetrate. I'll hold the dryer to my head for the first 15 minutes of the process, and then after the 30 minutes are up, I'll wash it out completely and start to moisturize using the LCO method, featuring super secret oil. As for this week's style, I'm getting ready to fully dry my hair as I prepare for my cosplay video, which you can watch in the cards section. So now that my hair is dry, I'm going to add my super secret oil to give it that shine, you know? Gotta make sure I get the ends because they are the driest part of my hair. You know, my hair feels really soft after that deep condition. It might be a little too soft. So I think it's probably time for a protein treatment. Thanks for watching, and give me any suggestions you might have for a future video. Let me know if you want to see that protein treatment.
Oh shit, here we go again.